Hey everybody, it's Ivy. Today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. Today we're going to be using hair from one of my favorite hair companies. You guys know I absolutely love Yummy hair extensions. They have some of the best hair I've ever tried in my life. Today I'm going to be installing the Wavy Opulence. I did me a little cute flip over, and this is a full wig that I constructed myself using a lace frontal and 3.5 bundles of hair. And you guys, this hair is just gorgeous. The texture it's beautiful, y'all, and it's so thick, and I love like this low luster. Like, it looks very, very natural, and their frontals are on another level, y'all. Like, they look, come on, y'all probably thought this was a sew-in. Yummy hair is like that designer hair, you guys. It's like high-end hair, so this hair is not cheap. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Like, this hair is not cheap, but it's worth every freaking penny. A lot of people can't justify the price when they see like the cost for virgin hair, but you guys, literally virgin hair will last you years, okay? I have hair that's years and years and years old. Virgin hair will last you. It's not like the more affordable hair that I usually review. This is luxury, baby, okay? Luxury, and it's just, if you want to see me install this hair, keep on watching. It was really easy, really easy. So I'm so excited for today's video. You guys, I got beautiful hair from Yummy, and look how it comes in this nice little package, you guys. You can definitely use this to store your hair or put whatever you want in it. Like, it's a really cute pouch, and inside it comes with a little business card. Okay, and I got some sanitizer. I always need that. I even got a little chapstick, which I thought was really cute. So let's get to the good stuff. As you guys know, Yummy hair comes in these nice little satin satchels. I love it. And the beautiful hair we're gonna be looking at today is the Wavy Opulence, and this is how the bundle looks fresh, you know, when you get it out of your packaging. So it's a very beautiful luster, really pretty hair. When you wash it, it does have more of a wavy pattern. This right here are the wefts, so you get really nice, tight, neatly constructed wefts. I love their wefts because this prevents shedding, okay? And this is 100% raw human hair, you guys. This is not the processed stuff. This is the hair that's gonna last you literally years. Like, I've had Yummy hair since like 2012 that I still have, okay? Their hair lasts a very long time, and it's full all the way from the root all the way down, okay? So you definitely get what you pay for when buying from this company. So I did make me a unit out of the hair they sent me. They sent me, I believe, 4 bundles of the Wavy Opulence, and they also sent me a lace frontal, okay? And this does have HD lace, and I didn't do anything but create my unit. I haven't plucked my lace or anything like that. All I did was bleach the knots. I really like how their lace frontal comes like pre-plucked. It's not necessarily pre-plucked, but it's like, it has a very natural hairline straight out of the bag. So I do have on my wig grip. You guys know I literally have to have this when I'm wearing any wig, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on, and my wig grip keeps my wigs from sliding back. Like, it's made out of this velvet material, and it keeps your wig from like shifting. I did make this unit myself, and I did order the caps that come like this with the adjustable bands and all of that stuff. I will have a video coming up soon on how to actually make your wigs using those type of caps, because I really, honestly, I don't really like wigs made out of dome caps no more. Like, that's old news. So let's go ahead and put our wig on. And again, you guys, this wig is made with the lace frontal, the HD lace frontal, and 3.5 bundles, and it's just super full. And again, I haven't plucked, I haven't done anything to this wig. Like, I literally just made my unit and bleached my knots. I just love how natural the hairline looks without me even having to pluck it. And it does already come with baby hairs, which I love. I'm sorry about that noise. At my condo, they're like outside landscaping and stuff, so it's noise. But You guys, I love this wig already. I'm definitely about to glue this in because, yeah, this is cute, really cute. I love this hair so much, you guys. I don't know if I'm gonna wear it like in its natural state or curl it or something. I'm probably gonna wear it in its natural state just so you guys could really see it. So, yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna get ready to glue it. Now we're gonna get straight into our gluing process. What I like to do is flip my unit back like this so my hair is exposed. You guys can see my natural hair and all of that good stuff. I was gonna do a ball cap today, but I'm not even gonna do it. I don't wanna do it because I really don't like all the extra layers on my hair. We're gonna take some 91% alcohol just to clean around my edges because I obviously did my makeup today. I tried my best not to put makeup near my edges, but yeah, you know how that go. That's why you always need to clean when applying a lace unit. You always need to prep the skin properly. What I'm gonna do now is take my Kiss Almighty Bond. You guys know this is like one of my favorite lace wig glues. It works so good to me and it lasts such a long time. You know I like to do my hair in sections, and I actually need to cut my lace. I don't know how I forgot that part. I almost forgot, so cut that part there and cut that part there. And you can install your wigs any way you want. This is just the method that works best for me. And I'm gonna flip that up and then we're gonna start gluing. And I'm gonna use the little flat tip just to smooth it out. I'm gonna let this dry and then I'm gonna come back and do a second layer of glue. Everything's looking pretty clear. I'm gonna go ahead and put one more coat before gluing my first section. Even though this glue does have a little smoothing thing, sometimes I do like keeping it OG and using my comb because, I don't know, it's kind of faster and you can sometimes spread the glue just more thin. Okay guys, so it looks like my lace is ready to be laid down. Okay, you guys, so this is our first section. I'm just gonna make sure everything is nice and tacked down. Don't worry about my hairline still looking a little full. I am gonna go back in and pluck that out just a little bit. Okay, you guys, so I just finished gluing everything down. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is put on my elastic band, and then I'm gonna go ahead and co-wash my hair. So this right here is my little elastic band. I did add some little clippy things on it just so it can stay in place. And I'm gonna leave the band on the entire time while I'm co-washing my hair because it's helping to get super melty this way. Okay guys, so I just got through co-washing the hair and this is the texture, wet. Hopefully you guys can see it. And I do have a 26 or either 28 inch, I'm not too sure, But you guys, this hair is really beautiful, and as you guys can see, it definitely gets a lot more curly. So I am gonna diffuse this. Okay, you guys, so I did go ahead and cut off my lace, and this is how the wig looks. I didn't pluck anything, but I do need to go in and thin it out a little bit around the hairline. Okay, you guys, so this is pretty much the finished result. I absolutely love this hair, you guys. Again, like I said in the beginning, this is honestly like, this is an investment, okay? I only used 3.5 bundles in this unit, and look, it's just so, you guys, this is a full wig. If you're getting long lengths, I would suggest 3 bundles in the frontal. If you're getting short lengths, you could get 2 bundles in the frontal. My wig is just super full, and it's just so natural looking, you guys. It's gorgeous. If you've been watching me for a long time, you would know Yummy is one of my favorite hair companies. I love Yummy. And of course, Yummy is always coming with the sales. So definitely stay tuned. They will have their big Black Friday sale coming up really, really soon. But yeah, you guys, anything I use from today's video will be linked below. Details to this hair will also be below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Please don't forget to thumb this up. Make sure you comment below and subscribe and click that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a video. And I will talk to you guys in the next one.